From Sooner Standards, built for everyone. A complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5ICCU02. Students learn to develop, test, and refine a digital artifact to make it more accessible and usable for everyone. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update, a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual accessibility features comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.